Subscribe Moon Beauty Tips and also press the bell icon to get notified with our latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to your channel Moon Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you a perfect natural remedy. By using it, you will able to remove your unwanted body hair very fast and naturally. This hair removal mask is very easy to make at home and there is no side effect. And the result is pretty instant and amazing. After just one time use, you will get noticeable change in your skin. So let's start with this process. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will get first notification of our future videos. In this process, only we need is 2 tablespoons of gram flour, white Colgate toothpaste and 4 to 5 spoons of milk. Now I am adding all the ingredients. Stir the mixture well to form a smooth paste. Apply a thick layer of it on the body part with your finger where you have unwanted hair. Rub for 5 to 10 minutes gently in this way. Leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I am going to wash it off with warm water. After this, pat dry your skin gently. Now apply a good moisturizer. If you want to remove your unwanted hair permanently, then you have to use this mask twice or thrice a week. If you like this video, press the like button. To get more beauty tips, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For today, I am signing off. We'll meet you soon in another video. Bye bye.